Get ready to get rich. Listen to this every day for the next 30 days. I am deserving of abundance in my life. I am open to receive wealth in many ways. I am financially free. I am grateful for the abundance that I have. I am open and receptive to all the wealth life offers me. I am the master of my wealth. I am wealthy in more ways than one. I am worthy of all the richness I desire. I am worthy of making more money. I can handle massive success of grace. I can look at my finances without fear. I choose to live a rich and full life. I deserve to be paid for my skills, time, and knowledge. I embrace new avenues of income. I give myself permission to prosper and grow. I have the power to create the success and build the wealth I desire. I move from poverty thinking to abundance. I am rich. I am wealthy. Money and love can be friends. I welcome an unlimited source of income and wealth in my life. Money flows freely to me. Money is my servant. Money works for me. My actions create constant property. My finances improve beyond my dreams. My income exceeds my expenses. My income increases constantly. Wealth constantly flows into my life. I am a money magnet. I make money from different sources. I make money whilst I sleep. I am a money magnet. I am financially free. I am grateful for the abundance that I have. I am the master of my wealth. I am connected to the universal supply of money. I am at peace with having a lot of money. I am able to handle large sums of money. I am wealthy of a wealthy life. I am worthy of all the richness I desire. I am rich. I am a billionaire. I create wealth. I donate money without feeling it. Every dollar I donate comes back to me multiplied. I constantly attract opportunities that create more money. I embrace new avenues of wealth. I have the power to create a success and build the wealth I desire. I naturally attract good fortune. I release all negative energy over money. I use money to better my life and the lives of others. Money and love can be friends. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Money creates positive impact in my life. Money expands my life's opportunities and experiences. Money flows freely to me. I create wealth whilst I sleep. I am money. I am money. I am money. I am wealthy. I am rich. I am rich. I am rich. Money loves me, and I love money. I am wealthy. I am wealthy, and I am wealthy, and I am wealthy. I am rich and rich.